Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Pests of crops. Important pests of major crops. Insect pests. Crops attacked. Nature of damage and economic importance. Prevention and control measures. Stem borer. Crops attacked are cereals, example, rice, maize, guinea corn. Nature of damage and economic importance. Larvae bore holes into stems. They eat up the tissues. They weaken the plant. Reduced growth yield. Prevention and control measures. Uproot and burn infected plants. Spray with insecticides. Example, Gamalin 20. Early planting and crop rotation. Armyworm. Crop attacked. Cereals. Example, maize. Nature of damage and economic importance. Larvae invade and eat up leaves and stem. Reduced photosynthesis. Retarded growth. Reduced yield. Prevention and control measures. Hand picking. Spray with insecticides. Pod borer. Crops attacked. Legumes. Example, cowpea, soya beans. Nature of damage and economic importance. Larvae bore into the pod. They eat up the seeds, reduce the yield, introduce diseases. Prevention and control measures. Crop rotation, early harvesting, spray with insecticide. Aphids. Crops attacked. Legumes, example, cowpea and soya beans. Nature of damage and economic importance. Stunted growth, gall on leaves. Vectors of diseases, example, rosette, mosaic disease of cowpea. Prevention and control measures. Spray with insecticides to kill vector. Uproot and burn infected plants. Leaf beetle. Crops attacked. Legumes. Nature of damage and economic importance. They eat up the leaves, reduces photosynthesis, and reduce yield. Prevention and control measures. Spray with insecticides. Use resistant varieties. Cocoa merits, capsids. Crops attacked. Beverages. Nature of damage and economic importance. They inject toxic saliva into plants, transmit fungal disease, reduced yield, and stunted growth. Prevention and control measures. Spray with insecticides. Regular weeding. Yam beetles. Crops attacked. Tubers. Nature of damage and economic importance. Bore holes into yam tubers. Reduction in yield. Reduction in quality and market value. Prevention and control measures. Dust yam sets with adjourn dust before planting. Cassava mealybugs. Crops attacked. Tubers. Nature of damage and economic importance. Twisting of stem and reduced internodes. Swelling of shoots. Reduced yield. Prevention and control measures. Early planting. Use resistant varieties. Cotton treatment. Spray with insecticides. Green spider mite. Crops attacked. Tubers. Nature of damage and economic importance. They feed on the leaves. Reduce rate of photosynthesis. Reduction in yield. Prevention and control measures. Use biological control. Spray with insecticides. Variegated grasshopper. Crops attacked. Tubers. Nature of damage and economic importance. Adults and larvae eat up the leaves and stem. Reduce the rate of photosynthesis. Reduced growth and reduced yield. Prevention and control measures. Hand picking. Spray with insecticides. Example, Adrex 40. Cotton stainer. Crops attacked. Cotton. Nature of damage and economic importance. They pierce and suck sap from plants. Produce toxic saliva. Transmit disease. Reduce quality of bulb. Leaf distortion. Prevention and control measures. Hand picking. Spray with insecticides. Cotton bollworm. Crop attacked. Cotton. Nature of damage and economic importance. Larvae feeds on the seeds of cotton. Crop rotation. destroy the lint and reduce its quality. Premature fall of cotton ball. Prevention and control measures. Spray with insecticides to kill insects. Burn cotton plant debris after harvesting. Thrips. Crops attacked. Vegetables. Nature of damage and economic importance. Browning of leaves, wilting of plants, and reduced yield. Prevention and control measures. Spray with insecticides. Effects or economic importance of insect pests on crop production. 1. Insect pests destroy crops in the field through their biting, chewing, boring, sucking, and defoliation activities. They also cause reduction in viability of stored produce. Spot of injuries by insects may predispose crops to disease attack. They increase the cost of production during the course of controlling them. They render vegetables and fruits unattractive and unmarketable. Prevention and control of pests. We have the physical control, the cultural control, the biological control, and the chemical control. Under the physical control, this involves the physical removal of pests by hand-picking of insects and larvae, setting traps to catch rodents, shooting rodents with gun, fencing around the farm with wire nets. The cultural control includes practicing crop rotation, use of pest-resistant varieties of crops, appropriate tillage operations, use of insect traps, hand-picking and destruction of insects, burning crop residues, timely planting of crops, proper weeding or sanitation, timely harvesting, close season practices, especially in cotton. Under the biological control, this involves the introduction of natural enemies of pests to control or keep the pest population under control. Such enemies eat up or feed on these pests, thereby reducing the population of the pest. Chemical control. This involves the use of chemicals called pesticides to control pests of crop plants.